Find an expression in terms of x for the volume of this cuboid. Volume, the volume of a cuboid. What is the formula for calculating the volume of a cuboid? That is length, breadth, and height. So can you solve this? Let's see. So we are to find the value of, we are to find the expression in terms of x. And we know that the volume of a cuboid is length times breadth times height. So this is the height, this is the length, and this is the breadth. So we have 5x plus 1. The volume, the expression for the volume will be 5x plus 1, then times 2x minus 3, then times 3x minus 1. So let's take it one after the other. We'll first start by multiplying these two while we keep the third. So now let's say 5x. Let's say 5x times 2x. That gives 10x squared. Now we pick 5x again, we use it to multiply -3. Then that becomes -15x. Now we are done with 5x. Let's go to plus 1. We take plus 1, we use it to multiply 2x. That gives plus 2x. Now we take plus 1, we use it to multiply -3. That becomes -3. So we have this, then we are to multiply this by 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. First, let's see if we can simplify this first bracket. So we have 10x squared, -15 plus 2 gives -13x, then minus 3. So we are now to multiply this by 3x minus 1. So now let's take it one after the other again. Let's start with 10x. We take 10x, we multiply 10x by 3x. So 10 times 3 is 30. So this becomes 30. X squared times x is x cubed. Then we have 10x again. We use it to multiply -1. And that becomes -10x squared. Now that we are done with 10x squared, let's go with -13. So we take -13 and we multiply 3x. That becomes -39x squared. Now -13 and -1, that becomes +13x. Now that we are done with that, we take -3 and we use -3 to multiply 3x. That becomes -9x. Now -3 times -1, that becomes +3. So now let's see, do we have like terms? Yes, we have like terms. These are like terms and these are like terms. So we have 10x cubed, then -10 minus 39, that gives -49x squared. Now we have plus 3 and then minus 9, plus 13. 13 minus 9, that becomes 4, right? Yes, that gives +4x and then plus 3. So this is the answer because there is nothing else left for us to simplify. So this is the expression for the volume of this cube. So now let's see, do we have our answer there? We have 30x cubed, that's the first one, minus 49x squared, then plus 4x plus 3. So the correct answer is this. The correct answer is this. Did you get that? If not, you can go through it again so you can get it very well. And I will see you in the next one.